Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about the right way to grow the lettuce from seeds. You are going to see everything from sowing seeds to harvesting, and if you have a small family like family of 3 or 4, growing in one pot would be more than enough. So let us see how to grow lettuce easily. I bought the seeds from Seeds and Pots, and ideal temperature to grow lettuce is somewhere around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius. As temperature in October was quite high, I sowed the seeds in November. We can also sow the seeds directly in the soil, but I decided to sow the seeds and then transplanted later as I don't need lots of lettuces at my home. Using a small pot to sow the seeds, and the depth of the pot is around 4 inches. For the potting soil mix, I am taking 80% cocopeat and rest 20% vermicompost. Lettuce seeds need light to germinate, and please avoid sowing the seeds too deep. We can add a very thin layer of soil at the top. After that, please sprinkle water on the top. Next, I am going to keep the pot in a place where it's going to get 2 to 3 hours of morning sunlight. In the meantime, please make sure to keep the soil moist, and you can sprinkle water once in morning and once in afternoon. This is the result after 12 days, and here we can see true leaves are starting to grow well. The first two leaves are not the true leaves, and those are known as seeds leaves. We can transplant as soon as we see first 2 to 4 true leaves on the seedlings. To transplant, I am going to use this pot, and please find the details of the pot on screen. I have also filled the pot with potting soil mix, and for that I am taking 50% normal garden soil, cocopeat 20% and vermicompost 30%. I am going to transplant 8 seedlings in 2 rows, 4 in one row, and the gap between each seedlings would be around 4 inches. Keeping a gap of 10 to 12 inches is ideal. But if you don't have lots of space at your home, you can do the same thing like me, and believe me, you'd be able to harvest lots of lettuce leaves. While transplanting, please keep the soil line to the crown of the seedling. That's it. Next, water it well. After that, I would keep the pot in bright area for next 2 to 3 days, and then going to move the pot to the terrace, and it's going to get the whole day of sunlight. So guys, it's after 60 days, and here you can see they are looking quite healthy. Of course, I have already harvested many leaves so far, and if you are wondering when we can harvest, well, we can harvest lettuce leaves when they grow to about 5 to 6 inches long. Please avoid waiting for too long, or else the leaves would be much thicker and taste would be very less. Honestly saying, we were tired of eating the lettuce leaves, and that's why in my case you can see that the leaves were quite bigger. Alright, let's talk about a few of the important things. First one is sunlight. Lettuce grows fast in full sunlight, and if it's not possible, please provide minimum 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. In my case, they were getting the whole day of sunlight, and that's why they grew quite fast. Second important thing is proper watering. Please keep the soil consistently moist and make sure the topsoil is not dry. At this stage, I was watering them daily. In case of lack of water, you are going to find wilted leaves. I did not water them yesterday so that I can record this clip. Third important thing is how to fertilize. Well, I did not apply any kind of fertilizers at all, and if you do like me, there is actually no need to do. But still, if you want, then you can apply simply vermicompost or composted cow dung powder once in 15 to 20 days. So guys, that's it all about growing healthy lettuce at home, and I believe anyone would be able to grow the lettuce very easily. Many people actually don't transplant the seedlings and grow directly from seeds in the soil. But if you have a small family, like I said you before, I would highly recommend you to sow the seeds first and then transplant only few healthy seedlings. Of course, it's going to take some more time, but you would be rewarded very well. You can also use 6-inch pot if you like. For example, here I have used one 6-inch pot and we can see that they are also growing quite nicely. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.